Hey there, and welcome back to Dollar Sense. Today, we've got something truly special for you. We've delved into 50 finance books to bring you the 10 most eye-opening money secrets that will change your financial game forever. So, if you're ready to transform your relationship with money, keep watching. Secret 1. Create a financial calendar. One of the fundamental strategies for achieving financial success is the creation of a comprehensive financial calendar. Similar to how you diligently schedule medical checkups or car maintenance appointments, setting reminders for crucial financial tasks can make a substantial difference in your monetary well-being. By maintaining an organized financial calendar, you can proactively manage your money, never overlooking critical deadlines, and consistently staying ahead in your financial game. Your financial calendar should encompass various essential events, such as bill payments, loan repayments, investment portfolio reviews, tax filing dates, and savings goals. This proactive approach helps prevent late fees, interest charges, and missed opportunities for financial growth. It also allows you to plan for major expenses, thereby reducing the stress associated with unforeseen financial burdens. In essence, a financial calendar is a powerful tool for achieving and maintaining your financial goals while ensuring peace of mind. Secret 2. Check your interest rate. Here's another vital financial secret. Always keep a watchful eye on your interest rates. Whether you're focused on paying down loans or selecting a savings account, interest rates play a pivotal role in your financial well-being. Higher interest rates can be a significant boon. Amplifying your financial benefits while neglecting them can turn compound interest into a formidable adversary. When it comes to loans, lower interest rates translate into lower borrowing costs, making it easier to pay off debt and save money in the long run. It's wise to regularly check for opportunities to refinance or consolidate loans if lower interest rates become available. On the savings side, higher interest rates mean your money grows faster, helping you reach your financial goals more quickly. Secret 3. Track your net worth. Secret number 3 is all about the importance of tracking your net worth. Your net worth is a big-picture financial metric that reflects your overall financial standing. It's essentially the difference between your assets, what you own, and your liabilities, what you owe. Monitoring your net worth is a crucial tool in your financial journey for several reasons. Firstly, it provides a clear, objective snapshot of your financial health. By regularly calculating and tracking your net worth, you can gauge your progress toward your financial goals. If your net worth is increasing over time, you're moving in the right direction. If it's decreasing, you may need to adjust your financial strategies. Secret 4. Set a budget, period. Secret number 4 is all about setting a budget, the cornerstone of your financial success. A well-crafted budget is the bedrock upon which all your financial goals are built. It serves as a comprehensive financial plan that enables you to take control of your spending and strategically plan for the future. Budgeting involves meticulously tracking your income and expenses, ensuring that your spending aligns with your financial objectives. By establishing spending limits for various categories, you can curb unnecessary expenses, increase your savings, and allocate funds towards debt repayment or investments. Secret 5. Consider an all-cash diet. Secret number 5 introduces the concept of adopting an all-cash diet as a strategic financial move. If you're someone prone to overspending or struggling with managing credit card debt, this approach can be a game changer. Going on an all-cash diet means primarily using physical cash for your everyday expenses and purchases. This strategy helps you break the cycle of impulsive spending and stay within your financial means. When you use cash, you have a tangible sense of the money leaving your wallet, making you more conscious of your expenditures. It can be especially effective for budgeting and curbing unnecessary expenses. Furthermore, it reduces the risk of accumulating credit card debt and incurring interest charges, as you're not relying on credit for your daily transactions. Secret 6. Take a daily money minute. Secret number 6, inspired by LearnVest's Alexa von Tobel, urges you to invest just 1 minute daily to review your financial transactions. This brief commitment can prevent problems from snowballing and cultivate a positive approach to your spending. Regularly checking your transactions not only helps catch errors or irregularities, but also fosters financial mindfulness and responsibility. It ensures you remain proactive and informed, ultimately steering your finances in the right direction for long-term success. Secret 7. Allocate at least 20% of your income toward financial priorities. Secret number 7 recommends allocating at least 20% of your income towards financial priorities. This includes building emergency savings, paying off debt, and saving for retirement. It's about securing your financial future. Secret 8. Budget. About 30% of your income for lifestyle spending. Secret 8 suggests budgeting about 30% of your income for lifestyle spending. This category covers non-essential expenses like dining out, entertainment, and more. It allows you to enjoy life while saving responsibly. Secret 9. Draft a financial vision board. Secret number 9 involves crafting a financial vision board. Motivation is key to adopting better money habits, and a vision board can serve as a constant reminder to stay on track with your financial goals. Secret 10. Set specific financial goals. Finally, secret number 10 is all about setting specific financial goals. Use numbers and dates, not just words, to describe what you want to achieve with your money. Be clear about how much debt you want to pay off and by when, or how much you want to save and your target date. And there you have it, folks. 10 eye-opening money secrets from 50 finance books that can transform your financial life. Remember to put these secrets into practice and watch how they make a significant impact on your financial journey. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Dollar Sense for more insightful content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.